already completed. What is the name of the lesson? Peace and harmony. We already completed that lesson with synonyms and antonyms and meanings of new words along with the sentences. I gave you a few homework questions also. Hope everyone you have done it. Okay? Please, if you have not done it, please do them so that it will be a revision for you. Okay, if you do, you will revise. You can revise those words again. Okay, now 1B, that's a poem. Okay, P-O-E-M. We don't pronounce it as poem. We have to pronounce it as poem. Okay, that is a poem. Now the one who writes a poem is called what? A poet or a poetess. Okay, if it is a male writing that poem, we have to say poet. If it is a female, we have to say poetess. Understood? But for this poem, I want peace. See, I already wrote the name of the poem. Okay, what is the name of the poem? It is I want peace. What do you mean by peace? Quietness, silence. The situation should be very pleasant. Okay? Quiet. Peace. It should be peaceful. I want peace. Okay. Now I'll show you the picture beside the poem given. Okay. See. Have you seen the picture? A globe is given with the map and the people there. Okay. I want peace. This poem is about what? I'll tell you. And before starting that, usually what all the teachers do, they tell you the name of the poet and then the works of the poet and then only start the poem, isn't it? But for this poem, I want peace, writer's name is not mentioned. Poet's name is not mentioned. That time we should say anonymous. What should we say? Anonymous. Anonymous means not known. The name of the poet is not known. Understood? Unknown. Not known or unknown you can write. Unknown. Okay? Name of the poet is not known. It is anonymous. Who wrote the poem? No one knows. Who wrote the poem? No one knows. That is why it is given as anonymous. Okay? Right, children? I will go through the poem. Listen. Okay. I am big and round. I am big and round in shape. Okay. I wonder if there will be peace. First, I'll read the first paragraph and then explain it to you. Okay? Listen very carefully when I'm reading. I am big and round. I wonder if there will be peace. I hear the sound of people who are being killed. I see the people crying for life. I want to help the poor people. What is it saying? This poem it is saying, I am big and round. What is big and round? I am big and round? No. Mother Earth is saying that it is big and round in shape. Okay? Mother Earth. We say Bhudevi, right? Mother Earth. We consider Earth as our mother. Bhumata or Bhudevi we say. Mother Earth. I am big and round. I wonder if there will be peace. Peace means quietness. I wonder if there is peace there. I hear the sound of people who are being killed. Recently, many of our Jawans, army Jawans are killed. Why? A small quarrel, a fight in between the border, India-China border, right? With a small fight, it has become a big one and many of our Jawans are killed. Yes, many of our people are killed. Why? For what reason they are killed? For very minute reasons. Minute means very small. Okay, minute reasons, very small. I see the people crying for life. Yes, when some dear ones, some of our family member dies, don't we feel sad? Don't we cry? Like that? I see the people crying for life. See, dead people are there. They are expecting those people to have life back. Okay, I see the people crying for life. I want to help the poor people. I want to help those people. Who is saying? Mother Earth is saying that she wants to help the poor people. In what way? Like saving everyone in whichever way it can. Okay, giving all good to the people. How do you pronounce this? P-O-O-R. Poor. It is not poor. Okay, usually we pronounce it as poor, right? Poor boy. Why poor? Not poor. Pure boy. Pure? No. Poor boy. Yes, P-O-O-R, poor. Okay, not poor, neither poor, not pure. It is poor, poor boy. Many a times I say this also in the class. Okay, listen to the pronunciation. I want to help the poor people. Mother Earth, Bhudevi, she wants to help the poor people. I am big and round. The second paragraph I am going through. Please listen. Okay. In every paragraph, first line will be I am big and round. Okay. Now second paragraph I am going through. I am big and round. I feel the weight of sorrow on me. Sorrow means what? Sadness. When people are sad. Okay, that time we say sorrow. Sorrowful. I feel the weight. See, many people are there on the earth, right? When something bad happens, more sorrow people become. Feel the sorrow weight of sorrow on me. I touch the feelings of the people. Mother Earth can touch our feelings. Feelings of the people. I worry about the future of the people on me. People are there on me. I am very much worried. Why she is worried? Because lot of destruction is going on. Okay, people killing each other, saying bad about each other. Okay, killing each other is good? Not at all good. Saying bad about others? No. If you don't want to say good, don't say bad also. Just keep quiet. Enough. You are neither saying good nor bad. You are good only that time. Don't say bad about anyone or anything anytime. Okay. I worry about the future of the people on me. I cry for help from God. Now, God is Earth, Mother Earth. She is saying that she prays to God to help us. Understood? This one. Now, the third paragraph. Again, it is starting with I am big and round. Okay. I am big and round. I understand the problems of the people on me. See, we have different types of problems. Yes, few may have monetary problem. Few may have monetary problem means money problems relating to money. Few may have health issues, health problems. Few may have many diseases like that. Many types of problems will be there. See, I understand the problems of the people on me. Many people are there on me, staying on earth on me. I understand their problems. I say grace for all people. She is saying grace. She is praying for all of us. Why she has to pray? Because she is Mother Earth. Your mother prays for you, no? Like that, Goddess Earth. She is our mother, Mother Earth. Yes, so she is praying for all the people of the universe. I dream about my past. Yes, past means this is 2020, right? Past means 2019, 18, 17, like that. I dream about the past. 1900s also, the Mother Earth is saying, I dream about my past. How old is our Earth? Anyone can tell? 100 years? 200? Millions and millions of years ago it took birth, isn't it? In which way we don't know. We have to ask scientists. Okay? I say grace for all people. I dream about my past. How I was before and how I am now. Do we find any greenery anywhere? Very less greenery we find. Before, there was lot of greenery. Houses were very less. People were very, pollution was less. Population was less. Everything was less. Now everything has grown. Okay. But Mother Earth remained the same size. Did it grow? No. It remained the same size. But what happened to us? Everything grew. Okay. I dream about my past. I try to handle my sorrow. I try to handle my sadness. If I become sad, suppose you go from school, 4:35 you go from school to your house. You see your mother, okay, opening the door, crying. Do you feel happy? Do you feel happy seeing her like that? No, if your mother opens the door with a smiling face, what do you do? Amma, how are you? Yes, what do you say? Amma, how are you? What do you have for me to eat? First will be that, no, because you'll be hungry. If she says smilingly, you'll be happy. Otherwise, you also will be very sad. Now, when Mother Earth itself is sad, how can you be happy? Okay. I try to handle my sorrow. I try not to show my sorrow. Yes, I'm trying to handle it. But somehow or the other, sadness will come out. I hope I won't be destroyed. I hope that I means what? Mother Earth won't be destroyed. See, we are cutting down forests. Why we are cutting down forests? For wood. Wood for what? For constructing our houses. Okay, we are cutting down forests. What will happen to that place? It will become barren. And after a few days, what will happen? Can you grow again? Can you grow plants there? It will become barren. No manure, nothing. We will not look after that place. Deforestation. If deforestation takes place, what happens? Slowly, that area will become barren and nothing, no fertility, nothing, no trees will grow. Slowly it will form into desert. So as plant as many trees as possible, then we will get fresh air also. We will get more wood to build houses. But what we are doing? We are cutting down forests. Yes, we are removing all the cultivated fields, and then we are building houses. From where we'll get air? From where we'll get our food to eat? Fresh air, water, from where we'll get? All thinking of all these aspects, I hope I won't be destroyed. I hope I am not destroyed. I am not spoiled in future. Okay, I am big and round. Again, the ending, the poet or the poetess, it gave that I am big and round. Again and again it is saying I am big and round. But it doesn't grow in size year after year. Does it grow year after year? No, it cannot grow. The size is this much, it will remain this much only. Okay, we grow taller. Up till the age of 18 or 21, boys and girls, you grow taller. But Mother Earth doesn't grow tall, doesn't grow fat, nothing. It remains the same size. Okay? It is saying about the sorrow that or the pain, the destruction that the earth is facing. Okay, now this is what I want peace means. I want peace in every way. Okay, now she dreams about the past. She hopes that in future also it will remain the same like this only as it was in the past. Nobody will destroy Mother Earth. Nobody will do any harm to it. Okay, nobody should do harm also. Okay, suppose you have cut a tree. For some purpose you have cut. Plant another 5 more saplings. You can compensate like that. If you cut one tree, you are missing lot of oxygen from there. Okay, oxygen also will be, you need oxygen also, isn't it? Even oxygen is missing if you cut trees like that. Okay, water scarcity you will have. If you destroy nature, nature will destroy you. So try not to destroy nature. Indirectly, try not to harm Mother Earth. Okay, I want peace. We will give peace and in return, Mother Earth will give us peace. Okay, we can live happily on the earth. As long as we live, as long as we are healthy, let us also keep our earth healthy. Okay? Yes? Understood? This beautiful poem, I want peace. Yeah, I am saying poem. Poem. I only taught you poem, isn't it? I want peace. Isn't it beautiful? Yes. Let us be peaceful and keep our Mother Earth peaceful. Okay? Now, the other day I started with adjectives. Okay, before going there, these hard words are new words with meanings I am giving it here. See, peace means quiet, grace, prayer. Okay, sorrow. Sorrow means what? Sadness. Sorrow means sadness. Destroyed. See, all these words are from the text only, from your poem. Okay, not from outside. Destroyed. Destroyed. What do you mean by destroyed? Spoiled. Okay, destroyed. Where did it come? I hope I won't be destroyed. I hope Mother Earth is saying, I hope I won't be destroyed. The other meaning given is pulled down. Pulled down. Okay? Now these are the 4 most difficult words that I could find. Yes, with meanings I gave you. Okay, this is just for pronunciation I gave you, isn't it? Now, peace and quiet, I gave you the meaning. Who wrote the poem? Any idea? No name. Yes, who wrote the poem is not known to anyone. So, anonymous. Anonymous means unknown writer. Unknown writer. Okay, the name of the writer is not known. That is why anonymous. Okay, this is what I want peace is. Okay, the other day we started with adjectives. What is an adjective? What? I am erasing this. Okay. What is an adjective? An adjective is a word which qualifies a noun or a pronoun. Isn't it? An adjective is a word which qualifies a noun or a pronoun. Okay. Now, I have a few I gave you the kinds of adjectives also. Okay, one by one we will learn all those kinds also. For adjectives, I'll give you few sentences. Okay, please look at the board. Few sentences I'll give you. Look at them and then Rajan is a dash. Rajan is a boy. Okay. Just I'm saying Rajan. Who is Rajan? Rajan is a boy. I will add something in the middle. Okay. Rajan is a dash boy. What type of boy? Rajan is a tall boy. Yes, just I said Rajan. Okay, just I said Rajan is a boy. Then I added tall. Okay, this is the adjective. I am describing Rajan as a tall boy. So this is called the adjective. Okay, I underlined it also for you as a tall boy. Okay, next one. Aradhana is a dash girl. Aradhana, listening to the name only, it's a girl. Okay, Aradhana is a girl. Okay, what new is there in that sentence? Aradhana is a girl, yes. Rajan is a boy. What is there new? Yes, I have put a dash. Aradhana is a dash girl. What type of girl? Aradhana is a beautiful girl. Beautiful girl. What type of girl is Aradhana? A beautiful girl. I'm giving much more description to the noun. Isn't it? I'm describing the noun in a much better way. So, beautiful is the adjective. Okay, I'm saying that Aradhana is a beautiful girl. Okay, now, next one. These are mangoes. Yes, these are mangoes only. What new? These are dash mangoes. I said no. These are sweet mangoes. Or you can write delicious mangoes. What is that word here? Sweet mangoes. I said mangoes. Yes, mangoes. It's common, no? Sweet mangoes or delicious mangoes. I'm giving much more description to the noun mangoes there. Okay? Now, the next one, fourth one. Okay, this is the story. Yes, this is the story. What new in that? But I gave this is an dash story. What? An interesting story. This is an interesting story. Next one. It is a very dash day. Very dash day. It is a very dash day. What dash day? What day? Yeah, this is a day only. But what? Very bright day. Bright day. This is an adjective. I am describing, giving much more description to the day there. Okay, what type of day? Bright day, sunny day. Okay, rainy day. This is a rainy day. Those are adjectives. I am giving you much more description to the noun there. Okay, this is only about adjective. See, I gave you a list of that. Adjective of quality, adjective of quantity, adjective of number, possessive adjective, distributive adjective, 7 or 8 I gave you, right? So this is about adjective. All types I will teach one by one. Okay, you'll get homework and WhatsApp about adjectives. Okay, I'll be giving you one homework. I'll send it through WhatsApp. Okay, please finish that homework and then get ready with adjectives. Okay, boys and girls, thank you. Bye bye.